Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a 2007 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic that I want to show you. This bike looks pretty good. Nice pearl white paint, got the gold trim stripe on it. Good tire up front. Got just a few little signs of wear on it. It's an 07 model. So it's got some little sign there on the fender of some, it looks like a little rub right there, but just some minor little rock pecks there. You see a couple around here on the fairing. Some wax right here needs to come off. Got a 96-inch motor, 6-speed transmission, true dual exhausts. It's got a nice sound to it. Set of fully adjustable highway pegs. Got the bag lid rails there. Chrome luggage rack on top of the tour pack. Oh, there's a cigarette lighter in there. We'll see where that goes. I don't know what kind of mufflers those are, but they got a real nice sound to them. We'll fire it off in a minute. Real good tire on the back. Michelin Commander. Missing an antenna here. Just a little antenna rod. Kind of tells me through antennas it's got the CB on it. It does have electronic cruise control, AM FM CD player, extra chrome here, 3-pouch windshield bag, full onboard electronics. Got these ape hangers on it. I think those are probably 12 or 13s maybe. Upgraded hand grips, Kuriokin grips. Notice the seats got a little spot in it right here. Basically, she's in nice condition though. Just a few minor signs of wear, but not abuse at all. It's got this bike's got 52,257 miles on it. Radio down. I'll let you listen to it. Oh, finger slipped off. Motor sounds good and tight. No sign of smoke. No engine noise or any of that. Sounds good, runs good, qualifies for extended warranties, excellent financing. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. I don't know if you can see the little pearl gold tint in that paint or not. Looks nice. Go online and see our complete inventory at TexasBestUsedMotorcycles.com. Take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.